Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you want to create the form and would need to allow your users to update existing submissions? Well, that's possible. Let me show you an example. So here we have the update project form. So we already filled out the project ID. It's proj 123 and the status as in progress. We have a test project notes and my name here, Archie. Let's go to our Notion database. So first, to check the existing submissions, go to your form. Once you're on your form and node forms, just click on submissions and it will automatically open the link of your Notion database. And there you'll see the submissions. So we only have one for this form and you'll see there's a project ID 123 and the status is not started. It was updated by me and the notes as test. So let's go back to the form. So we're going to update it based on the project ID. You'll see here it's proj 123, but instead of not started, we'd like to change it to in progress. And the same notes that we have and the same name being updated by me. And click on update project. And there you go. As easy as that, you'll see that the form status changed from not started to in progress. NoteForms is a form builder that primarily integrates with Notion. Notion actually has its own form builder. It is straightforward and easy to use, and it offers basic form features, but it doesn't have advanced features such as allowing your users to update existing submissions. This is very helpful, especially if you have project or task forms and you'd like to avoid duplicate submissions, but would need to allow your users, employees, or teammates to update their current submissions or entries in your Notion database. So now, let me walk you through on how to enable this feature to your form. So first, make sure that we're logged into our NoteForms account, and let's create a new form by clicking on Create a New Form on the upper right of the page. And then next, let's select Start from Scratch. Let's just say we don't have a Notion database yet. And here, let's utilize the AI Form Builder. Click on Generate Form. And what we're going to generate is a form that updates existing project page in Notion when submitted. Includes field for project ID, status, project notes, and updated by email or name. And a short description at the top that uses form to update the status or notes of an existing project. Make sure you enter the correct project ID. So 25 seconds now, starting the AI magic, analyzing requirements, and it's already done. Less than 30 seconds, we already have our form. It's the update project form, and we have the project ID, status, project notes, and we can enter a name or email here. And next thing that we need to do is click on settings on the upper left, and then click on submission settings. And then under submission settings, we have database submission action. And what we would like to do is update existing record. And we will update existing record based on project ID. And once done, all we need to do is click on Publish Form on the upper right. And then, since we don't have a Notion database yet, it will be created for us automatically, but we need to select the Notion page where the Notion database will be created. So here, I'm selecting my Notion page and then click on Save Form. And as easy as that, there you go. We already have our form created. This video helps, but if you still have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie, and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.